Hello, it's Stu Sensei here from Duck Academy once again to hit you up with another fantastic English phrase, which is disgusting. Disgusting. That's right. Do you know what it means? It means that something is very horrible or unacceptable or not very pleasant. So, we can use this to talk about a recent hot topic that's been on everybody's lips. Have you heard the news about Kim Kardashian's kimono? When I talk to many people here in Japan about it, many of them think it's disgusting that she named a piece of underwear after something so beautiful as the kimono clothing. What do you think? Can you use disgusting? Try and use it in the comments down below. Ciao!